In this video, we'll show you how we tie a shoe. So taking our two laces, we're going to cross them over each other. Then take the top lace and wrap it underneath. This is going to create what's known as an overhand knot. You can then pull this to adjust the tightness of your shoe. Once you have it at a comfortable tightness, you can go ahead and hold the middle to keep the tension, and then with the other hand, make a little rabbit ear or loop. Then take the loose lace and wrap it around that loop, and then we're going to push it through the little hole that is made in between both of these laces. Then you'll pull it through to create two loops. Now once you have this, you can pull them apart and it will tighten the knot. You can also make length adjustments to the lace by pulling different sides of the loops, or you can also tighten them together by grabbing the two tight ends and pulling. As you see here, we're going to take those two tight ends, pull, and it tightens that knot down together. To untie the shoe, we're going to grab a loose end of the lace and pull it free. This will allow us to untangle the lace, and the shoe is now untied. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.